Dear students, you are welcome to our YouTube channel eGuardian India. Today we are discussing 20 important multiple choice questions with answers of business strategy. Please like the video, share with your friends and post your comments in the comment box. Let's start the question number 1. Which of the following is action oriented? A. Policy, B. Objective, C. Goal, D. Strategy. Right answer option D. Strategy. Question number 2. Dash is nothing more than a well developed statement of directions and goals. A. Business strategy, B. A business policy, C. Tactic, D. Objective. Right answer option B. A business policy. Question number 3. A value system in an organization is an example for this type of environment. A. Internal, B. Macro, C. Micro, D. External. Right answer is option A. Internal. Question number 4. The word strategy is derived from dash language. A. French, B. Spanish, C. Greek, D. Arabic. Right answer option C. Greek. Question number 5. SBU refers to dash. A. Strategy and business unit, B. Structural business unit, C. Standby business unit, D. Strategic business unit. Right answer option D. Strategic business unit. Question number 6. Dash identifies the scope of business operations in product and market terms. A. Purpose, B. Objective, C. Mission statement, D. Goal. Right answer option C. Mission statement. Question number 7. O in SWOT analysis refers to dash. A. Obstacles, B. Opportunities, C. Operations, D. Objectives. Right answer option B. Opportunities. Question number 8. Falling sales in an example for dash indicator. A. Deteriorating finance, B. Top management problems, C. Deteriorating performance, D. Bad investment. Right answer option C. Deteriorating performance. Question number 9. When the business of a company is entirely sold or dissolved, it is termed as dash. Right answer option B. Liquidation. Question number 10. Active strategy is also called as dash strategy. A. Passive, B. Defensive, C. Offensive, D. Flexible. Right answer option C. Offensive. Question number 11. Experienced human resource are considered as dash. A. Strength, B. Weakness, C. Opportunities, D. Threat. Right answer option A. Strength. Question number 12. Dash are regarded as short-term objectives. A. Strategies, B. Goals. C. Mission statements. D. Values. Right answer option B. Goals. Question number 13. Budgeting is an example for dash control. A. Strategic. B. Operational. C. Tactical. D. Preventive. Right answer option B. Operational. Question number 14. The type of change that a business organization has no control is called as dash. A. Internal change. B. Inertial resistance. C. Barriers to change. D. External change. Right answer option D. External change. Question number 15. Ego reinforcing strategies are example for dash. A. Personal value strategies. B. Executive strategies. C. Defensive strategies. D. Individual strategies. Right answer option B. Executive strategies. Question number 16. One of the reasons for lacking creativity in organization is dash. A. Self-image. B. Perception. C. Education. D. Inertia. Right answer option D. Inertia. Question number 17. Converting non-users to users is a strategy used in dash. A. Market penetration. B. Integrative growth. C. Diversification. D. Product development. Right answer option A. Market penetration. Question number 18. Such strategies which are planned in advance to deal with sudden changes in future are called as dash. A. Ad hoc methods. B. Contingency strategies. C. Stability strategy. D. Retrenchment strategies. Right answer option B. Contingency strategies. Question number 19. The sale of a division, unit or part of the asset of a company to another is called as dash. A. Divestiture. B. Diversification. C. Financial restructuring. D. Tender offer. Right answer option A. Divestiture. Question number 20 and last question. Dropping a product line represents dash strategy. A. Retrenchment. B. Stability. C. Growth. D. Defensive. Right answer option A. Retrenchment. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel. If you like the video, please share it with your friends on social media and WhatsApp groups.